Okay, so when starting a Word document, you want to start with your heading. So first should come your name, you press enter, you do your class, enter again, your teacher, and lastly, the due date. Then you will enter again, and this next section will be your title. So then you will need to change it to center line and add your title. Then if you want to start typing the rest of your paper, you enter again, back to left align, tab one time, and begin to type your paper. One more thing you can add to your papers is a header. So you double tap at the top of your screen, press insert, page number, top of page, plain number 3, the number will be inserted, and you add your last name. Once you're done with that, you can click close header and footer or double tap out, and your paper is ready to begin to type. You can continue to finish these sentences. Once you're done with this paragraph, you will enter, type again, or tab over to start a new paragraph.